Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna do something a little different here. As you can see, I haven't been promoting on clickbank in a while now, and I've decided I wanted to try something different here. I wanted to use my lead gen secrets to figure out how long it takes to get a sale on whatever product I choose. Something. The reason I decided to make this is because I'm not entirely sure if these work. You know what I mean? And I just wanted to see if I can get it to work or not, for the most part. So this is what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pick a product. I'm not entirely sure will work or not, and we'll see if we can get a sale with it. All right, so let's go in, and we're gonna. I don't know what the time limit gonna be, like a week or two or something like that. But we'll see if we can get a sale within a week or two. If it don't work, it don't work. You know what I mean? So let's go to marketplace here. Let's go to. Let's see. Let's go to. Should I go to EB&E marketing? This is something I want y'all to do here. Ask me this. I kind of want to do this for a lot of products. Try a bunch of products like this, right? What y'all could do is suggest a product for me to try. It don't matter what product it is. It could be in any one of these. I'll try it and see if I can get it to work. So just leave comments in the descriptions like what product you personally think I should try. So I'm gonna pick the first one myself. Let's see. Let's go with e-business e-market here. Stay in the trank sound. Let's go to gravity. Let's just look here. I'm not gonna pick a product I think I know works. I'm gonna pick something I don't know if it'll work or not. That's go pay $12. Who wholesale? What is So we just searching and looking at products right. Who wholesale? Okay, it's like drop ship. The fast. Oh. What is this free graphic system? Likes with graphic. Initial conversion is kind of low. They say you make over $300. What's the product gonna be, guys? Go back to the first page. Let's try perpetual income here. Let's give this a shot. Yeah, we'll go with this. I don't know if this will work or not, but we'll check it out. Cause it's really high. It's a good chance I might not get a sale, but if I do get a sale, it's gonna be pretty big. But the initial conversion is $15, so I don't know. We'll see. So let's look at it here. You can make up to $500 per sale. Blah blah blah. Not worry about that. That doesn't really matter. What we want is the email. The emails. Oh. What is? Hello, what kind of product is it? Affiliate marketing software. Okay. Alright, so what we're looking for are emails. Already registered. Click on that if it says like something like put in your information, or you can click here if you already registered. Just go and click there if you already registered. Okay, how converting emails. Here we go. Okay, these are 2020. I want the 2021. It will. Session proof income works back. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this email, copy. I'm gonna log in my account here, my Lead Gen Secrets account. If you don't know, my Lead Gen Secrets is a program in which you can email people every single day. Right now, as you stay in the system, you get more and more leads. I got 28,000 leads right now, so we're gonna see if we can get a sale off of this. What do I think? I don't know. My guess is we can get a sale. It won't be for $300 though. That's my guess. But we'll see. We're gonna test this out and see what happens. We're definitely gonna test this out and see what happens. All right. Hey, I just bye-bye. Space between. We'll just do this. There we go. Okay, it wants my name. So let's put in my name. That English name. That's my name there. It's very simple-ish. Yeah, very easy to say. Very trustworthy name, in my opinion. The easier the name is to say, the more trustworthy it is. So like stuff like Michael, John, Caitlin, Chris, Jill, stuff like that. Very easy to trust. Okay, so a more trustworthy name. I don't know if it matters or not, but yeah. Do we go with what link do we go? That's the 47. Click on right here. Yeah, look, Perpetual. Promote. Let me check something real quick. Let's see which page is the most profitable. I'm pretty sure it's the first one that makes the most sense. Like the main page is probably the best. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry. Highest converting video. So the Amazon Prime angle is the highest converting one. I got you. We'll go with the new Amazon one since it's saying that. Okay. That's how we choose which one we're gonna send here. We'll just do it. Bump it. Amazon Prime angle. We'll go with that. Let's see. Let's go with one. That's how. That's where this is, I think it's going for. Okay. So let's go ahead and put that in the system. We'll put it here. And we will put it on right there. Put it here. Don't think too much about it. Just put it where they say put it. You gotta change nothing really. I'm gonna preview it, make sure the links work. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, it works. Alright, so we good. Alright, we're gonna send an email. And that's how you do that. We'll see. I have results posted. I'll probably put them in a thumbnail, or what I make or whatever. I want y'all to stay positive. I have no idea how well this will do. So I wouldn't recommend doing this. If it was me, I would stick to the first product, social paid, and continuously promote that, because that does really well. But we'll see how this does. Right? Okay. That's that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things. And we're gonna try to hit the ground running here. And hopefully I get a sale tomorrow. Hopefully it's a $300 sale. Hopefully it's a $500 sale, cause they said you can make up to $500. So let's hope for that. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna temper my expectations though. My guess is I won't get a sale, but I could. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I already said that. Hit the notification bell. Let you know more stuff. I put out some more stuff here. I'm sorry I've been kind of missing in action the last couple of days. Been a bit busy. So I haven't had time to put up these. The time in which I make these videos, I didn't have it the last few days. So I usually make ththese videos around about 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. I didn't have those times because I've been busy, and overslept or something like that. Something happened. So I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna try to get back on the grind, get back on and posting these videos for you guys. Maybe help you guys out. Most of these are challenges for me, honestly. I don't know if this will help much, but I want to show you what's possible, what could happen, and just putting your time in it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.